Cynthia, businesses here in Brampton are not happy. Up until this morning, they thought they would be opening their doors to more customers than the allotted 10. One restaurant owner we spoke with says he's frustrated with Ford for making the announcement so last minute.
When we have our tables open inside, it definitely brings back a lot of life into the business. You know, it makes people happy.
Nova Grill on Main Street here in Brampton was looking forward to opening its doors to more diners. They could seat 28 people with physical distancing measures in place, but now that number is down to 10.
We're not happy with that. 10 people, there's going to be a lot of dispute with the customers. People are going to feel rushed, not comfortable, especially for high volume places. It's not enough.
With takeout, their sales are still down 60 to 70%. They were hoping by going into Orange Restrict, they would see more business and be able to help their staff.
People that we laid off is almost like family to us. And the fact of the matter is that we had to let them go, and we were hoping that we can get more busy so we can take these people back. And now that, you know, we keep opening and closing, there's no consistency, so we can't give them any consistency. It's a pretty sad thing.
Brampton Mayor Patrick Brown says restaurants aren't the problem.
When you shut down restaurants, people go into private social settings that don't adhere to the same rigorous standard of public health protocols. And so I was worried the last 28 days when restaurants were shut down that it would cause numbers to spike. Personally, I would like to have seen a broader opening of restaurants, given that they're not the source of transmission in our community.
The mayor adds there needs to be a surgical approach. Don't penalize restaurants, instead provide help where it's needed.
We have people in precarious employment. We've got essential workers who, when they contract COVID-19, they're unable to isolate for those 14 days. We need to provide them the resources and the support that they deserve.
Peel Medical Officer of Health Dr. Lawrence Lowe doesn't agree with Brown. He says even though the number of COVID-19 cases in Peel are highest in Brampton, yesterday there were 157 cases, in Mississauga 102, and Caledon saw 17. But all areas should still be treated the same.
They weren't the problem in September before they were closed because we were at a very different level of transmission. But where we are now, after having seen the second wave from social gatherings, if we were to open them today, that would be like adding another log on the fire. First of all, they're all going up in all three of our municipalities in the region of Peel. And second of all, we know that if the hospital in Brampton's overwhelmed, then the next hospitals that people are going to go to are the ones in Mississauga.
The restaurant owner here at Nova Grill says that they will be serving indoor customers with limited staff because they will take as much business as they can get. However, they are hoping to expand as soon as possible.